Hi, I'm Rachel Walla with Ally Safety, and in today's video, we're going to do a monthly fire extinguisher inspection. So let's get going. Number 1, check accessibility. Make sure the extinguisher is visible, unobstructed, and in its designated location. Number 2, check the physical state. Verify that the pin is intact so that the extinguisher doesn't accidentally discharge when being handled. Check the plastic tamper seal if it's got one. That'll indicate if it's been used and may need to be recharged. Look for obvious signs of damage, a clogged nozzle, or a damaged hose. Number 3, check the pressure gauge. It should be in the green, but these gauges can break, so it's a good idea to lift it and make sure you can feel the weight of the extinguishing agent inside. If it's a CO2 extinguisher, there won't be a gauge, so just lift it to make sure it's still full. Move the instructions to face outward. If it passed, initial and date the tag. If it didn't pass, take the steps you need to get it in shape. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button. Until the next time, I'll see you guys later.